हेलो ऑल, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। स्वागत है आप सबका मेरे इस चैनल पर। So the next topic here is product data management system. Now after this argument, now we will see what exactly is product data management system. Product data management system has primary purpose of managing the product data. We have understood it from the meaning only what is PDM. It's one of the most important element of the PLM environment, because everything is for product, and if there is no data related to the product, if there is no data in place related to the product, then the PLM system will also fail. It can manage all the product data created and used throughout the PLC. So basically you can consider this as one software. In fact, there are software also, but I will tell you to consider this as a software which is managing everything in one place. So it can manage all the product related data throughout the life cycle of the product. It can provide the exact information. It can provide the exact information at the exact time throughout the product life cycle. The information is really important, and that important information can be provided by this software, and it can be seen by anyone who have the access to the software. The PDM application gets this strategic resource under control. It make it available whenever, wherever, whoever needs it. You can consider this as a software, and you have the access to software. You can see what is the status of the product which is sold in the market, what is the status of the product. Everyone who has the access can see what is the various data related to each and every activity of the product in the organization. PDM system are used in management of activities in the PLC. Though these activities start with the specification of the product, it includes the definition of the product, it includes the analysis of the product, it includes the manufacturing activity involved in the product, it includes the testing activity, the quality control activity, it includes the, like if it is a software, then it is alpha, beta, implementation of the software, and then it can be the product support also. Okay, so it can manage all the activities related to the software. Workflow within the overall process can be complex. Workflow means how the activity is moved from one place to another place. Many people and many organizational entities are involved. Some activities overlap. Sometimes we can see that activities overlap, and sometimes they are running in parallel. Sometimes iteration is needed. Sometimes it may be necessary to repeat a sequence of activities. So all this happens with the environment. So these things are taken care of by the PDM system. PDM system provides support in this complex environment. So you must have understood that in an organization, a lot of activities happen, and if there is a system, proper system, then that system can take care of all these complex activities that are happening in the organization. Any system to manage product workflow must be powerful yet flexible. It should have the capability to maintain control over the product flow sequence. At the same time, the PDM system should allow the changes in flow of product and also in the related product information. This control and flexibility will allow the necessary modification while developing a similar product or a support system. A PDM system should allow a release of the required data to the concerned person. Sometimes partial data is required. Sometimes data is required to be provided to the manufacturing or marketing department in early stage of the product development, and PDM system should allow it. As the development or manufacturing activities progresses, changes may be needed in the data, which should be allowed by the PDM system. As the pre-PLM environment was paper-based, so if an enterprise wants to move over to PDM system, then the conversion from paper-based activity should be allowed by the PDM system. It should also be able to manage computer-based activities from one format to another format. A PDM system should also allow to handle different drawings which are drawn on sheets or in any CAD software. Further, a PDM system should also be capable to work with different ways of representing a data. For example, a data may be in the form of graphs, charts, table, figures, drawing sheets, etc. Following the discussion till now may make someone feel that a PDM system is needed to manage large amount of files or data that is generated by a computer. But actually, the need of PDM system is more from a business point of view. It is needed to provide more flexibility to customers in terms of quality product, in terms of early launch of product, in terms of reasonable cost of product, and so on. A PDM system is needed more for an improvement in productivity. These factors becomes a driving force to achieve better management of product data and workflow and hence require PDM system. A PDM system manages the creation and use of product information throughout a product's life. PDM system makes it possible to reduce lead time and product cost as well as to improve market share and profit by A. Improving the quality of product flow, B. Improving the flow of the product, and C. By supporting new product development. A PDM system should offer the benefit for the betterment of the product. It should offer benefit for better use of resources, better access to information, better use of design and other information, better control of technical or manufacturing changes, should reduce in development cost and development time, it should reduce lead time, and it should also provide improved security of the product information. A PDM system should help or does help companies to improve the following: product development activity, product quality, it provides flexibility in manufacturing, it improve adaptability to market condition, to improve support to customer,